The year that Okonkwo took 800 seed yams from Nwakibie was the worst year in living memory. Nothing happened at its proper time. It was either too early or too late. It seemed as if the world had gone mad. The first rains were late, and when they came, lasted only a brief moment. The blazing sun returned, more fierce than it had ever been known, and scorched all the green that had appeared with the rains. The earth burned like hot coals and roasted all the yams that had been sown. Like all good farmers, Okonkwo had begun to sow with the first rains. He had sown 400 seed when the rains dried up and the heat returned. He watched the sky all day for signs of rain clouds and lay awake all night. In the morning, he went back to his farm and saw the withering tendrils. He had tried to protect them from the smoldering earth by making rings of thick sisal leaves around them. But by the end of the day, the sisal rings were burnt dry and grey. He changed them every day and prayed that the rain might fall in the night. But the drought continued for 8 market weeks and the yams were killed. Some farmers had not planted their yams yet. They were the lazy, easygoing ones who always put off clearing their farms as long as they could. This year, they were the wise ones. They sympathized with their neighbors with much shaking of the head, but inwardly they were happy for what they took to be their own foresight. Okonkwo planted what was left of his seed yams when the rains finally returned. He had one consolation. The yams he had sown before the drought were his own. The harvest of the previous year, he still had the 800 from Nwakibie and the 400 from his father's friend. So he would make a fresh start. I throw the challenge to Mazi Ihai Igboko.